Ano ba mga kabalin? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
So guys, if you can hear some cars or vehicles passing by, that is true kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa daan ng OG Road and we were invited to come and check out this very unique business.
Imagine, moving food stall na makikita nyo sa daan.
Yeah, so this is Kahel Yeah. So we're gonna check the menu. We're also gonna talk to the owner on how it started and everything like that, no?
So if you're interested to know more about their menu, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go!
Hi, my name is Alan and I'm the owner of Kahel Yeah.
What is Kahel?
Kahel is orange. Orange kasi may kataon mo yung tangasali kong pickup truck. Orange siya. May kumpisaya kayong karetang recipes. So netang recipes and itang concept maluwat na. Pero itang name coin kaya mo last year after the lockdown. Basically burgers kami talaga mag-starts and chicken. And then somewhere along the way, nag-evolve. Siyempre, we will look for the needs of the market. Nanong burida, makanya, nanong pasok yung budget na, nanong in terms of operations, nanong itang sagling i-prepare on the streets. Kasi it's a different environment eh. Kumbaga, if it's stressful kay restaurant, mas stressful kay streets. It's basically street food, which everyone loves street food. So it's an holistic experience. Yeah, ayos kaya rin ng Kahel Yeah kasi it's orange and it's a pun of Hell Yeah. It's the expression Hell Yeah. And Kalye. We're serving on the streets, on the Kalyes. So, that's the idea behind Kahel Yeah. So, napansin mo kasi yung behavior ng tao, migbayol eh. Aside from they crave for new concepts, itang availability na and tang mobility na ng business, wala mo malagulyang factor. So if you want to serve the street people, actually the idea came from fishbowl vendors.
Correct.
At a certain time or day of the week, pwede ka mag-serve kaning spotting.
Correct.
And king tutuki, di ba? Makatana naman, which is beneficial for the market, for the people, and at the same time for me kasi talakainip ko.
So ayun nga guys, sabi ni Mark kanina, so this is actually a moving store na it goes everywhere here in Pampanga. Right now, if I'm not mistaken, they have a schedule in Angeles, San Fernando, and then in Mexico, Pampanga. So what do they serve? So they actually have a very interesting menu. The names of the menu are also very, very unique. Actually, by the name itself, it's Kahel Yeah. It's like a slang term or expression, rock and roll or whatever, or you know, muskinano or wasige. It's a free soul expression, very popular today. So they do have burgers, they do have burrito, some Mexican food. It's a street side comfort. Yun po yung gusto nilang ma-experience natin dito sa Kahel Yeah.
Again, it started with a burger recipe. This burger recipe was, sabihin na namang formulated by me 10 or even 12 years ago. You know, you just cook for yourself. Wala mong idea na gawang kaya business niya. Kasi I love burgers, I love grilling, mga yan. Pero niyang time ita, kasabi niya kasi ni We're Kapampangan, people don't eat burgers all the time.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
We do offer budget-friendly and high-quality meals. So, atin na kaming chicken ngayon eh. Chicken and rice meal. By the way, we call it nice rice. Yung, kasi kanin pa lang, ulam na. We also serve chops, which is our version of pork steak, and liempo.
So there are several ways to enjoy Kahel Yeah meals, no? So first of all, you can invite them on your private occasion or place or any event. You can actually invite them. You can also order their meals, and then kumbaga take home more, take out more. And then the third one is what we are experiencing right now. Kahel Yeah calls it street side style.
Yeah.
This is the added experience when you order or when you eat at Kahel Yeah. So yeah, introduce our food, bro.
So on our table, meron tayo dito mga KOB burgers. So meron tayo dito yung KOB basic, meron din tayong KOB ultimate, and kanilang Mexican.
So they also have this burritos slash shawarma na meal. Meron din silang rice meals, which is ito yung mga ginigrill natin kanina. So this is their liamps.
So meron din tayong Kahel dito.
Yan. So hindi mawawala sa kanila yung pinakamalakas nilang sauce. This is their very famous, their smoky sauce, guys. Very versatile, kahit saan dito pwede.
Yes.
Okay, so brother, ano yung pinaka natatakam ka dyan?
Siyempre dito, parang double patty na may jalapeno ba to?
Jalapeno, okay. So ako naman guys, titikman ko yung kanilang liamps. So this is it. Okay.
So syempre, akin yung Highway 69.
Highway 69. The joys and the pains of this kind of business.
I can't think of pains eh. Siguro, unahan tayong pains, natural na itong mapagal ka eh.
Okay.
Pero the satisfaction behind every food business, inigaintindihan eh. Kumbaga, it's very satisfying na you're feeding people, appreciate itang kaya mo, itang luto mo. So, apin ting joy, apin itang, sabi dapin, itaing saya na ali mo asali.
So po may satisfying customer.
Wow, pa siya may satisfying customer. And at the same time, they're enjoying the, you know, for some reason, yung ambience tamo kayong streets. Very gritty, mayaso, makanyan, maingi. Pero, akit mo na food can bring people together. Kumbaga, mas kino ka rin. Mas kino ka rin.
What was the most memorable feedback coming from a customer?
Kahel Yeah. Every time they say Kahel Yeah.
Hell yeah. Every time they say Kahel Yeah.
Kumbaga, wala mo happy nita. Kumbaga, although mag-start ya pa yung business, you can say na we're struggling because of the pandemic. Happy nita, milo ko nakapagal. Pwede na kang magpainawa ka sa kinabukasan, magluto na ka na naman para ka rin tao.
Oh wow. First off, dun sa rice meal nila, para sa akin, no, it's actually out of this place yung flavor. As soon as it enters your mouth, parang it's like Indian or Mediterranean, parang ganun yung mga spices na nandito.
Speaking of their spices, yung kanilang Highway 69, iba nga yung taste niya. Sa fusion of Mexican na talagang masasabi mong ang sarap.
Ako naman yung burger.
Look at that burger.
Yung patty nila.
Look at that burger.
Very juicy at hindi siya dry. Kumbaga kay Kapampangan, eto ko tipiran natin.
Ako titiran. Wow. So, I wonder, dun sa mga nakatikim na kay Kahel Yeah, no? What were your experiences? Either a take-out or a dine-in, yung mga events din na kumbaga na-cater nila. What were your experiences? So if you would like to know your experiences, guys, leave them at the comment section. So titingnan ko naman itong kanilang Mexican, ano? So atin yung, so it has cream cheese, jalapeno, also has fries, parang roasted fries to, no? Yaman, ha? It's a little bit sour. Para sa akin, para siyang yogurt. Parang naging ganun yung ano niya, yung cream cheese niya. So once again, guys, not your ordinary burger.
Experience our special treatment. Special treatment is basically a catering service from us. Okay, so if you want to enjoy Kahel Yeah food at the comfort of your home, so just sagli kami mong kasabi.
Kumbaga, having the experience of eating beside the street, that's another different story. And then yung flavors ng mga pagkain nila,
very extraordinary. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. If you want to experience Kahel at the comfort of your place, kung gusto niyo naman matikman dito on the road or take home, make sure to check out their fan page, guys. They are posting their schedules on a daily basis kasi nga sabi ni Sir Alan, rock and roll tayo, guys.
Yes.
So, kung saan namin feel dun magstay, so they're gonna, you know, put up the truck there and set it up. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us.
Another experience na naman na pwede nyong gawin or add on your bucket list.
Right.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends.
Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga, guys. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye. More videos from Kahel Yeah. Bye.
Follow yan po itong page, making IG and Facebook. Kasi mag-post kami schedule ka rin eh. Kahel Yeah Food Truck.